Hey everyone, welcome back to the Wormy Garden. Today we're diving into something super important and timely. Rising costs and tariffs are hitting our grocery budgets hard, making it more challenging to afford fresh produce. But don't worry, because growing our own food can be a powerful way to fight back against these economic pressures. It's not just about saving money, it's about the satisfaction of harvesting fresh, delicious food right from your backyard. Today, I'm not just going to tell you to grow, but to grow it month by month specifically for our Zone 7A climate. This means you'll know exactly what to plant and when to plant it, ensuring a bountiful harvest throughout the year. We'll cover everything from early spring greens to hardy winter root vegetables. By following this plan, you'll have a continuous supply of fresh produce, reducing your dependency on grocery stores and those pesky high prices. Let's kick off our tariff-proof gardening year. For January and February in Zone 7A, we're heading indoors. Think vibrant microgreens, crisp lettuce varieties, and pungent scallions, all thriving under a grow light or on a sunny windowsill. Microgreens are nutritional powerhouses and can go from seed to harvest in just a couple of weeks. This early effort sets the stage for a productive year, giving you a taste of self-sufficiency right from the get-go. As February gives way to March, the soil begins to wake up. This is our cue to get outside and direct sow cool weather crops like spinach, baby carrots, and radishes. These crops thrive in the cool, moist conditions of early spring, giving you an early harvest before summer crops go in. Fresh, organic spinach, tender baby carrots, and crisp radishes start to significantly reduce your reliance on store-bought produce. April in Zone 7A can be unpredictable with its mix of warm days and unexpected cold snaps. However, it's perfect for planting sugar snap peas, which thrive in these conditions. The key to success is timing and preparation. With a bit of protection, you can give your peas a head start. Low hoops create a warmer microclimate, shielding young plants from frost and wind. This simple structure can make a big difference in your garden's productivity, encouraging faster growth and an earlier, more abundant harvest. Sow the seeds directly into well-prepared soil, about an inch deep. Make sure the soil is rich in organic matter and well-draining to prevent waterlogging. Plant the seeds a couple of inches apart, near a trellis or netting they can climb. This support is crucial as it helps the plants grow upright, making harvesting easier and reducing the risk of disease. Fresh peas can be pricey at the store, but growing your own ensures peak freshness and taste. There's nothing quite like the flavor of peas picked straight from the vine. Plus, you can enjoy them at their sweetest before the sugars turn to starch, contributing significantly to your tariff-proof produce strategy. By growing your own vegetables, you not only save money, but also gain the satisfaction of knowing exactly how your food was grown. It's a rewarding experience that benefits both your health and your wallet. May is a pivotal month in our Zone 7A garden. The weather is warming up, and the days are getting longer, which means it's time to transition our garden beds from spring to summer crops. As sugar snap peas wind down, we pull those plants and get ready to transplant cherry tomatoes and basil into the same bed. The peas have given us a bountiful harvest, but now their time is up. Clearing the bed is essential to make room for the new plants that will thrive in the warmer months ahead. The soil is enriched by the nitrogen fixed by the pea roots, needing just a light amendment of compost or worm castings. This natural process of nitrogen fixation is a wonderful benefit of growing legumes like peas. By adding compost or worm castings, we ensure that the soil remains fertile and ready to support the heavy feeders like tomatoes and basil. Plant cherry tomato seedlings deep and basil as a companion plant to improve flavor and deter pests. The deep planting helps the tomatoes develop a strong root system, while the basil acts as a natural pest deterrent and enhances the flavor of the tomatoes. Companion planting is a smart gardening technique that maximizes the benefits of each plant. By continuously planting and harvesting, we make the most of our garden space and ensure a steady supply of fresh, homegrown produce. This not only saves money, but also provides us with the freshest ingredients for our meals. Cherry tomatoes and basil are incredibly productive, providing the foundation for countless summer dishes. From fresh salads to homemade sauces, these versatile plants are a staple in our summer garden. Their productivity and ease of growth make them a favorite among gardeners, ensuring that we always have a delicious and abundant harvest. June in Zone 7A means our summer crops are taking off, but we can still find pockets of opportunity for more production. Interplanting quick-maturing bush beans between tomato rows maximizes garden space. Beans don't compete excessively with tomatoes and can be harvested before tomatoes cast significant shade. Fresh green beans are a summer staple, and this strategy contributes directly to our tariff-proof goals. July's Heatwave heroes specialty peppers and dwarf okra. Specialty peppers and dwarf okra thrive in the summer sun, making them perfect for our midsummer garden. Growing your own peppers means you can explore varieties beyond what's available in stores. Dwarf okra varieties like Baby Bubba produce an abundance of tender pods on compact plants. These heat-loving crops ensure your garden remains productive through the hottest part of the year. August's quick refresh fast fall greens on the horizon. Sowing fast-growing fall greens like arugula and bok choy in late August gives them a head start before cooler days set in. Arugula and bok choy appreciate consistent moisture and some afternoon shade during the initial germination stage. This August planting extends your growing season, ensuring your garden beds remain productive. September's colorful harvest gourmet carrots unearthed. September is perfect for sowing or harvesting gourmet carrots like Parisian and Cosmic Purple. Ensure your soil is loose and well drained for the best results. These colorful additions to your garden contribute to your bounty and add an element of fun to your culinary adventures. October's leafy reload, kale and Swiss chard power. Kale and Swiss chard thrive in cooler temperatures and can continue producing well into winter. Harvesting by picking the outer leaves encourages continuous growth. These greens are packed with vitamins and minerals, extending the fresh harvest season and reducing grocery costs. November's forward-thinking planting garlic and shallots for summer gold. Planting garlic and shallots in November allows them to establish their root systems over the winter. Choose hardneck or softneck garlic varieties and plant in well-drained soil enriched with compost. This simple task sets you up for a flavorful, tariff-proof harvest next summer. December's duty resting beds and rejuvenating soil. Letting your garden beds rest and rejuvenating them with a winter rye cover crop and compost will pay dividends next year. Winter rye prevents soil erosion and adds valuable organic matter when tilled in before spring. Healthy soil is the cornerstone of a productive garden, leading to stronger plants and better yields. Winter's quiet bounty and gearing up for another great year. Appreciate the hardy crops still providing and plan for the next growing season. Reflect on what worked well and what challenges you faced, and make plans for improvements. Clean and maintain your garden tools, organize your seed collection, and get ready for another productive year. Wow, what a journey through the gardening year. This month-by-month plan keeps your Zone 7 a garden productive and your kitchen full of tariff-proof produce. Snag your free printable succession planting calendar, link below. Don't miss our next video on preserving bumper crops into shelf-stable, tariff-proof pantry gold. Thanks for joining me today. Keep those hands dirty, and I'll see you right back here in the Wormy garden next time.